Okay, well, I can't say enough about Andrea. I was really feeling overwhelmed. I lost my husband a year ago, and I was just starting to feel the need to declutter and organize, and I was really feeling overwhelmed. And I started doing a search on the internet, and I came across an article about Andrea. And so I immediately called her on Saturday, and she agreed to come out to see me. She drove probably 60 miles one way, and she came out and saw me 2 days later. And within 6 hours, she just amazingly completely organized and decluttered my garage and our 43 and a half years of pictures and slides and videotapes that my husband had collected over the years, and then my crafting and scrapbooking area was a total disaster, and she got that done as well. And I can't say enough about Andrea. The house looks great. We sent a truckload off to Goodwill, and I'll be using her again to tackle my daughter's clutter in her bedroom. Thanks, Andrea.
Thank you.